Akamu, is it still very hard for you to make Akamu or Akara or even make custard at your age? See, this 2024, not grief for embarrassment. Oh. Join me, let's do it together. We go put them to shame for this 2024. That is if you are ready to learn. No, it's a beautiful Saturday. Guess what? It's a facial day routine plus making breakfast for the family. Just stay as you might learn one or two from this video. Anyway, I don't carry myself bundle around. Enter inside bathroom, make a choco my hair, enter inside this obuluku cap. It cover my face. Now kuku use and cover and finish. Since that one you want. Anyway, we shall arrange and put away before hair go come soak inside water in the name of facial. Carry my favorite cleanser, use and cleanser my face. Make sure say I really take my time scrub the face very well because I just dey feel kwankan like saying I also rock jam the face. After 100 years of cleaning the face with the cleanser, come wash and come out. Then go carry this my scrub, layer and put for that particular area when they make kwankan for hand. You know they ever smooth until you do facial. You go come down small. Come carry and put finish, then scrub my neck, my back. So people go scrub face, they go forget their neck. The neck do na something. Anyway, I don't scrub both back and the front of the neck, wash and come out, then go apply this my mask. Layer on for the particular area where I want make you work, put avoid my eye area. Because I don't even understand that I need you buy this mask. But it always they work where after I don't use and finish. But that hotness is like it's not for my face, but make I shy use them for like 1 month first. After 1 month, it still continue like that. Now to discharge and be that. But for now, it they do you work. Now I don't apply and finish. They can't take that time, use on the brush because I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes. At this point, to still keep the time they waka they go for the facial, I been a mask going there for the face. I can carry this my peel beans, already peel beans come out, soak them inside this water as we won't use and make better hot akara. This is the first time of me using their peel beans. I've been using their own peel beans to make akara and it come out so well. So let's try this one. At this point, I don't soak them for ground, then come remove this mark. This is after 10 minutes. It all dry for my face. Like you don't work for the face already. So now this point, now to waka inside say bedroom, just do the bait and baitable. I don't rock for my rest body, leaving my face. As you can see, the facial marks really do what is being made for. This is my serum, my 2 serum combined together. Apply it on my face, use and rub and like massage and reach the neck area, both the face and my forehead. Make sure say the serum really penetrate to the skin. At this point, it don't air dry. Go ahead with my facial cream, rub and to give them that moisture and softness. You're gonna make the face make peke like pando where your new pan finish. You go make them soft the whole of the week. Before I do another facial again, now to moisturize the lip, then brush out all those excess hair as I want to enter kitchen in case falling hair, then make it for common, make it not go fall inside pot of soup. Oh yeah, now back to kitchen. This beans where I don't soak for some time, I don't wash and wash it but finish. Cut onions, put as I won't blend all the whole onions inside. I not go slice too much onions inside as organo they like onions. So I need to when go make her not enjoy this breakfast and to avoid that. Instead, blend all the onions inside. I don't carry all your pour am inside my fry pan, make it soft with the hot. Carry my vitamin C, throw am for my mat. Now do that one finish. Nah. To come carry the beans after you don't blend finish, pour am inside this round plate. When go allow you mix the beans to floppiness before you start to the cut inside. Oh yeah, carry my salt put inside. I know they use ginger, garlic, and other gbogbo what they see other people they add inside their akara. On a normal note, salt, pepper, and onions. Now they say they make akara unless you want change the taste to Indomie generational taste akara. You fit add ginger, garlic, gbogbo and the rest, even add maggi and even curry joiner. At this point, we don't cut the akara put inside. After you don't mix some for about hours, make sure say they floppy. If you not get machine, you need to turn out so that your hand go be like say you won't break them off for position. Yes, you want that floppiness so that as you put some for oil, it go bounce on top of the oil. Not be say it go sit down for inside pot as if they do pancake. Now I don't carry the first one come on, then cut the second one come on. As you look the pot, you see immediately I cut the akara put inside, it they come on top of the oil. That one are the strength when I they mix am, it can't make and they floppy. So if you not get that dough machine where they say they mix am, when you come make and they floppy, then you got to use our local way. Use your hand and your power and your strength to mix am. This onions and pepper what they put now because organo they like see am for inside you. Now make me something they put am for the part when I want it. At this point now to carry the custard when I want use come out, make we soften they turn the akara at the same time, make it not go burn or can go soak oil based on say you know they look am. Now I don't turn the second side as it needs to they flip immediately. Normally, if you use better setting of fire for akara, you no need to burn before you know say you don cook. Oga don dey use better song take dey burst my head for here. Anyway, now na to pour this very one comot am for inside oil as e don already cook finish. If you are new to the industry of frying akara, at this point, before you make sure say you comot am for inside oil, carry one open inside first to make sure say e cook reach inside. But based on say na wetin person don dey do right from small pikin, once the akara don cook, na from our eye we go take know say this one don cook, remove am for the oil. I don pour water, pour am inside this my custard, then mix am. If you want still do akamu, na still the same process of mixing you go still use. Now we don remove the oil inside, use one hand dey do that one, use one hand still dey do this one at the same time. Carry hot water, pour am inside the custard, then while your hand follow dey turn am immediately. Make sure say at this point you no dey do am your before you come make kpili come be like say na agidi na you make. Anyway, without stress, without mede akamu is ready, or your custard is ready. You see the way it dey floppy. If you want add more water, you go add more water based on say na you dey control am. If na the custard dey control you, you don already make laga immediately. Oh boy, without wasting time before the food go cold, na so we lick everything, lick the plate join her. Guess what? We are unboxing another new fragrance, and I'm so happy doing this because smelling good is my business. This is my new perfume adding to my new collection, and guys, it smells so good. It comes with all my favorite notes, and oh my god, the whole of my room changes immediately I spray it. Bye guys, see you all in my next video.